Today we're going to talk about our post pounders, the two options we have, and which one is right for your project. Post pounders are used to drive your pipe anchors down into the ground. Our first option is a manual pounder. We call it the Big Bertha. It weighs 27 pounds, and in most cases, it requires 2 people to operate due to its weight. The second option is a gas-powered post pounder that we offer for rent. These weigh 35 pounds, and they make the job of installing your pipe anchor into the ground way easier. These pounders are the best option for larger projects where you have more than 10 to 15 pipe anchors to install. They're easy to operate, and they'll do most of the work for you. We highly recommend them for a smoother installation. We rent them for a 10-day period, and you'll need to bring it to a FedEx ship location to send it back to us at the end of your rental. Here's a list of scenarios where one pounder may be more appropriate than the other. You are installing your project alone. You have very hard soil. You have less than 10 to 15 pipes to install. For larger projects, you want the most economical option. Make the job of installing your pipe anchor way easier. Please remember our gas-powered post pounders are not drills. If you hit an obstruction when driving a pipe into the ground, please stop and remove that object, or you may damage the pounder. If you have any further questions about which pounder is best for your project, give us a call and talk to a friendly project consultant. They'll be happy to help.